Looking for screen enclosure repair? Stop spending all your budget and resources on expensive services. We offer repair pool enclosures, patio enclosure with insulated aluminum roof, screen porches and screen walls, all types of screen enclosures and a lot more. Our experienced team of designers will create an enclosure to fit your vision and your budget. You can take comfort in knowing we use only the highest quality materials and skilled craftsmen who are dedicated to excellence. Why choose us? We have reasonable prices, and we give 100% customer satisfaction. Key West Screen Enclosure and Patio has been the premier screen enclosure source in South Florida. Call us today and get a free estimate.